Hello designer and architect, welcome back to Adstep Design Studios channel. My name is Steven, your resident architect. In today's video, we'll be embarking on an anxiety journey into the realm of landscape design in SketchUp. I guide you through the process of effortlessly transforming outdoor space from creating realistic terrain to adding vibrant greenery and divining inviting pathway. So before I continue, I encourage you guys to like, subscribe and comment to this YouTube channel because I do videos like this every week. So let's get started. We are still using our 2-bedroom bungalow we designed together from scratch. So we are still using it. We are still using that building, that modeling for our landscaping. So maybe you are not part of us, maybe you are just joining us in this modeling, in this journey. I'm going to drop the link to description of this video of how we begin the modeling of this building, how we do the tutorial of how we did the modeling, roofing and the design. So in today's we are in landscaping. So you can just join us and continue with us in landscaping. So this building I'll be using in my side, a plot is 36 by 18, so I'll be placing the site in 36 by 18. So in today's video, I divide into like 5 sections. So the first section is creating realistic terrain. So realistic terrain. So the plots I'll be using one plot of land. One plot of land here is 36 by 18 in my side. I don't know what is it. So I'll be using one plot of land. So let's get started. So let me just design one plot of land. 36. I want the length to be 36. 36 by 18. 18. So that is it. 36 by 18. So this is the 18. So that is one plot of land in my side. So I'll just need to group it. I want to group it. Make group. Make group. So I will just be working. So I want to place it in my modeling now. So I want to start working on it. So that is on one plot of land now. It's not at the right place. Yes, so it's at the right place now. So you now need to start working on it. So I reverse the face. So I want to design how it's going to look like. Hope you guys are getting it. So I want to design I need to enter the group before I can work. This is where my gates will be. Let it stop here. So I want my car to be parking here. Let me still increase the car. I want my car to be parking here. So that is it. So here will be my turning radius. So car will just come and go outside. So that is it. I've started designing it. Here I want it to be like flower vase 600. Here too 600. 600. Here 600. Here too 600. So I just need to draw it. That will be where my flower will be. So yes, I will just stop it here. Here now, I want to create like design here, maybe like my caps. So I want to let it to be 75. 75 outside. 75. 75. 75. 75. Here too 75. So we'll just need to draw line around it. I need to draw line around it. So That is it. So I want here to have like curve. A is for curve. Just press A in your keyboard. So I will just delete this. And just, no, I don't need to delete that. Let me just draw another curve again. So I'll just delete this. So that is my turning radius. So car will just move in like this. So I will have one turning radius here again. So another one will be here. We'll just delete this. I will delete that. So that is it. That is it. If you guys are getting it. So here too, I want it to have like green area too. So I want here to have like green area. Here, green area. So I'll just need to design it round like this. So I will have a curve here. I have a curve here. So I'll just offset it inside by 75. 75. So that one will be my green area for that side. So let me just add one green area here too. So let me balance it up. So I will have a curve here too. So delete this. So I'll offset this one 75. 75. So that one. So I'll just delete the interior one. Delete it. So here too the same thing. Here I want it to be up to this side. Here like 750. Here too. Get it balance. So I want to balance it like this. So I will have a curve here. Delete this. I will have a curve here. I will have a curve here. So I will delete this. So here offset 75 inside. 75. So I'll balance it up. So I balance it up. Balance it. Balance it up. So that will be my other side, will be my green area. So that is it. We are proceeding. So that is the first aspect, first section of this video. So let's continue with the second section. First section. This first section, it's add depth and realism to outdoor space. So the second section we are discussing here is adding launch of greenery. So for us to add launch of greenery, we'll be adding tree, plants and shrub to this landscape. So we're adding tree, plant and shrub to this landscape. For us to do that, we need to go to our 3D warehouse. You can go to you can go to your window and search for 3D warehouse, or you can go to your Chrome browser and search for 3D. I prefer Chrome browser, so just type 3D warehouse in your Chrome browser and search what you want to provide. So the first one, I've done video of how to use 3D warehouse, how to download components, and so for this purpose of this tutorial, I will still continue. I'll still download it. So the first one, we want to download tree. Just type trees, enter. So you see various trees. So you can just choose one and download. The purpose of this tutorial, I don't need to download, but let me just use this one as example. So download it. So ask me to sign in, so I'm going to sign in. I have a password before. After you are done signing in, so you can just come to your download and press download. So download file site, SketchUp site. So SketchUp, I've already downloaded it. So that is it. I'll download tree. So I want to download plants. Let me download plants. Just come to your SketchUp warehouse, download plants. So I've done tutorial on this on how to use SketchUp 3D warehouse. So I'm just still, for the purpose of this tutorial, plants. Do you have any plants? So I want to fix all these plants. So let me just download one. Come and download. Let me download this. So the third one here, we download this shrub. Shrub is not here. No, that is not the spelling. SHRUBS. Shrubs. Okay, this is it. So let me just download this first aspect. Download SketchUp components. So that is all. That is all for our 3D warehouse. Download it. So we want to place our download now. For us to place the download, you can from where you download it. So let me go to where I download the so under my landscape. So I want to first bring plants. The plant. You can just copy Ctrl C and come and paste it in your model. You see? This is the plant we download. So let me bring our shrub too. Let me bring shrub. You can press Ctrl C or drag it to your SketchUp model. It's like this one is very heavy, so I'll place it. Place it. I've placed it, so it remains our plants. Let me place our plant. Just drag and drop, place it. So that is the 3D thing we download. So you can just come and be placing it inside your, rearrange it where how you want it inside your SketchUp. Hope you guys are getting. Hope you are liking this tutorial. So if you find this tutorial very interesting, you can just drop comments in the comment section. So you can just drop like in the comment section, so you can do more video on this. So this is the, you see now I have a shrub, but for this I want it to go more higher. I don't want this thing to, don't want it to look like this. Sorry, let me delete it. I want it to be inside this group. I want the place it to be inside. So let me bring plants first. I want it to be inside that group. Place it. Shrub. Place it. And my plants and trees. So I can just come and place it. So hope you guys get it. So you can just go to your SketchUp download. So I want to continue using it now. So this one now, this one will be my like tree. So you can go just come to your, you can just come and be placing it inside your. So this one I want it to have like tree. Let me place it up little. Let me pan it up. Before I pan it, let me give it 3 components. Landscape. So that is, I want our landscape. This one I want it to have like green, you guys get it. So you can just move it up little. You can just come here, place this one, place it on it, place it on it. So that is it. So you can just place it, play with it, play around with it. You can just rotate it. So this one too can be somewhere here like this. Can be somewhere here. And this one can be, you can just copy, place it somewhere here. So this tree too, this tree you can just move it around. Can just move it, you see, drag it and drop it. So you see that our model is forming shape now. We adding realistic. So that is for the second section. That is for the second section of this video and YouTube tutorial. So the second section, what you learn, don't forget to adjust size and position to ensure harmonious blend of nature within the design. So maybe adjusting the size, maybe you don't want the size of one, you can just scale it. If you press scale, you can easily scale it. So that is it. So that is for the second section. The third section is the designing pathway. So designing pathway, I've already even designed the pathway before. So I want the pathway to be well functional. I want it to be well functional. So here now, I want it to be like, I know why this one is not closing. Okay, I know why. I want here to be to close. Just be looking at it. So I want here to be like car parking maybe. So I want to be adding material now. Just come to your part, come to pattern, landscape. So I want here to be have material, something like this too. So you see, I've added, continue adding my pathway now. Maybe this one, I want it to be like Kep's. I want it to be like Kep's design. Come to your Kep's, come to pattern. Where's my pattern? Let me check here. No, that is not it. Landscape. I can't find what I'm looking for. I can't find it. So let's just stick to text style. So let's just continue. So that is it. So you can just create your pathway. Maybe this side you want another some material to be here. Maybe you want to give this side like one divine material, so you can just give it. Maybe you want this one to be this material, you can easily give it. So it depends on what you like, to give it. So that is it. Maybe around this place you want to give it like plant material, so you can just come match it, just match this one, match this our plants, give it round. You see this one too, I want it to go higher by like 100, so that will one for my caps, that one for my caps. So that is for the second section. Third section is designing pathway. So we are going to the fourth section, enhancing feature. So this fourth section is additional. The main purpose of this tutorial, I divide it to 3 sections. So the first section will be just optional. Maybe you want to design maybe you want to have like swimming pool, maybe you have something like this. Yes, so maybe you have something like this, you have something like of this shape, so you can just create a swimming pool. So offset it, I want to offset it like, okay, let me offset it inside like 300. So I'm just using this one as you see, can just raise this one a little. So maybe this one is water feature, you can just give it water. There's material here under water where you can use water. Yes, this water. So it depends on the one you like, because you can just give it. You see now, you have give it form a swimming pool. So that is the first section. I'm rushing because I don't want this video to be too long. So the last section, this is the fifth section. Maybe that one is adding shadow. Maybe you want to have shadow to add more reason to your modeling. You can just come to this side and come this shadow, just right click, find shadow. I've already on it before. If you don't on it, just on your shadows on it. So if you on it, just come and on this one. This is the shadow interface, just on it. You see, if you on it, you're going to see reflection of shadow on it. You see now. So that is it. You can just on it. If you on it, maybe you want time of the day, maybe you want January, something like that, February. You see, it will change. Maybe you want to change it, maybe to January. You want to change the sun, direction of the sun. You see, it's changing. So it's changing. So let me just take it back to where I am. So that is it. That is the fifth section. The fifth section is like adding lighting and final touch. Lighting and final touch. So that is it for today's video. Encourage viewers to experiment with landscape design in SketchUp and share their thoughts in the comment section. So if you find this video very helpful, I encourage you guys to like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I do video like this every week. So thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in the next video.